Hello, and welcome to the short instructional video on how to use ChatGPT to study. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can help you study in a variety of ways. In this video, we'll be covering some of the most effective methods for using ChatGPT to boost your knowledge and improve your grades. First, let's start with a simple question and answer. ChatGPT can be used as a virtual tutor to answer any questions you have about a specific topic. Simply type in your question and ChatGPT will provide you with a clear and accurate answer. This can be especially helpful when you're studying for exams or trying to learn new information. Next, you can use ChatGPT to generate practice questions. This can be a great way to test your understanding of a topic and identify any areas where you need to improve. Simply type in your topic you're studying and ChatGPT will generate a series of questions that you can use to quiz yourself. We'll say generate 10 math questions for a grade 10 student using Pythagoras. Another great way to use ChatGPT for studying is to have it summarize complete texts or lectures. Simply type in a passage of text or the main points of a lecture and ChatGPT will provide you with a concise summary. This can help you to quickly review and understand important information and can be especially helpful when you're short on time. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to generate flashcards. Simply type in a question and answer, and ChatGPT will generate a flashcard that you can use to test your memory. This can be a great way to reinforce your learning and help you retain information over time. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you study and improve your grades. Whether you're looking for an answer to questions, practice for exams, summarizing complete text, or generating flashcards, ChatGPT can be a valuable asset to have in your toolbox.